At Thanda, we like to take a whole neighbourhood approach, because while ensuring children are nourished and educated is important, we know that life is filled with challenges, and for a neighbourhood or community that has strong interpersonal bonds and is on the same page when it comes to the importance of its children, change becomes more than just possible, it becomes sustainable. What does that look like in practice? 3 women from the KwaMagaza neighbourhood would love to tell you. It started with a farm.
Kusho ukuthi ukuze sisenisane noThanda saqala sacela iland ukuba neiva besike sizibone ivande besihamba mhlawumbe ngento ezihambayo sambenze mhlawumbe ngokweteksi uthatha indlela ethile ubone igodini ivande zizinhle kubantu yasifisa nathi kazantu ukuze babe neivande benze njani.
Then there was a hut. Duduzile began conversations with her community about partnering with Thanda.
Kodwa abazali abanezingane bethanda ingane mayibile eduze icreche ingabe kude. Shuthi noma nami ikhala lami lingacacile. Ngaba na ukuthi ngwalikhona indlwana noma ingasile ingane zingakwazi ukuthi ziququbale zifundiseke lapho.
Thanda agreed to establish a community-based ECD at Duduzile's home, and Nelly, aged 30, who was unemployed and raising her child on a social grant, soon found work as a Thanda Fund Foundation's teacher in the very hut her mother had offered. It changed her life.
Ngijabulela kakhulu njengoba sengisebenza nami ngathanda sengiyakwazi ukuthi nami la ekhaya makhonto ifuna ukuthi ilungise ngikwazi ukuthi ngilekelele nami ngalomali engithola emsebenzini ngalokho nje nami ngizizwa ngijabulile ngikwazi ukuthi nami kube khona engikhipha ekhaya.
Then there was access to water. Thanda worked with the local community to provide protection of a natural spring and storage tank, ensuring that the neighbourhood had its own source of potable water. Growing up here, Nelly remembers the hardship.
Bekuthi masiyokha amanzi empuleni kwenzeke sifike amanzi engcolile mhlawumbe kungena inkomo phakathi kodwa manje nje ubuthanda usilethela amathanki sesiyakwazi kodwa manje nje sesijabula kakhulu amanzi sisihlala sinawo ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Importantly, it is not only Thanda beneficiaries that benefit from the access to water. It is the entire surrounding community too. Mabui Miende has been living in the neighbourhood for 5 years.
Kwakungiphatha kabi ngoba ngisho nezinja zaziwachapha amanzi bese isikhathi ufika uthi uyakha kunokuthi ngoba ngiyawathola iminyaka ewu5 ngihleli lana kodwa ngawubona umehluko.
Water is essential to life, but the protected spring provides even more value as a meeting place and place of community.
Ngaphaya ngizizwa ngikhululekile ngisho ngiyochela njengathi ngimkhulu bungaka engathi khona kodwa ngakakusakusa ngoba ngikhona lutho kodwa nje ngisuke ngikhululekile ukuthi awunami ngani kusho ukuthi ngumuntu ngizoba right nginesivalo.
Kulo sothe kwenzeka kumina ngosizo lakaThanda.